Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use manual mode in your Infiniti Q50. To begin, simply move your gear selector from the drive position to the manual gate, usually located to the right or left of drive. You will immediately see the current gear displayed on your instrument cluster, indicating that you are now in full control. This simple action transforms your driving experience, giving you precise command over gear changes for a more engaging ride. Once in manual mode, your steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters become your primary control. To upshift, simply pull the paddle on the right side of the steering wheel. For downshifts, pull the paddle on the left side. These paddles provide instant gear changes, allowing you to maintain both hands on the wheel and focus on the road. This method offers a truly engaging and responsive driving experience, perfect for spirited driving. Your instrument cluster provides crucial feedback, clearly displaying the current gear you have selected. While you have significant control, the Q50 system intelligently prevents engine damage by automatically upshifting if you approach the red line, or downshifting if the engine revolutions per minute drop too low. Always monitor your revolutions per minute and select the appropriate gear for optimal power delivery, especially when preparing to accelerate. Using manual mode offers several advantages. You gain precise control over your engine's revolutions per minute, allowing you to keep the power band exactly where you need it. It's also excellent for engine braking when descending steep hills, reducing wear on your conventional brakes. Ultimately, manual mode transforms your Infiniti Q50 into a more dynamic and responsive vehicle, providing a truly exhilarating and connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.